laughing matter. This is very serious. And be safe out there. Anyway, before we get started, hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up. If you like videos like this, and if you're first time here, you're like, what kind of video is it? Just hit that subscribe button. That would be really great. Hit that thumbs up because it helps the channel to get some traction out there. I have some really great videos on this channel during this COVID-19.
While stay inside your house, you could binge watch all the Diva videos.
Yeah, that's true. I have a lot on there.
Years before the coronavirus, she was already preparing. So if you had watched her then you have already been prepared.
Right, and there's lots of videos. You'll see up above, there'll be a little box up there that'll let you know where you can find some of the do-it-yourself things, like how to make your own hand sanitizer, and how to make your own aloe vera gel and things of that nature. And also there's household things that you can make, a few things in your pantry, and you don't have to go outside. So anyway, enough of that PSA. Let's get started. Today we're Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe.
We are going to go Easter style. All right.
Hey.
So we have sour watermelon flavored Peeps, and we have
cotton candy flavored Peeps.
Yeah, I don't understand cotton candy because Peeps just taste like nothing but sugar. But
more sugar.
More sugar flavored sugar.
Yeah.
You know, because the original flavor was not good enough, so we need to make it sweeter.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to.
I'm going to open this one up.
We're going to see what we can do here. He's going to open up the cotton candy. As he's opening up the cotton candy, they both have the same amount of calories. So if you eat 4 of these little chicks, that's 100 calories. 4 chicks is a serving. Like I said, pure sugar, 26 grams of total carbohydrates. That's 26 grams carbs. 22 grams of total sugars. So take that as you will. When I was a kid, loved Peeps. As an adult, not much of a fan of them. Goodness, what's going on over there? All right, here we go.
There we go.
Show the people what we have, Tank. All right, so you see they're pink and they're speckled, and they look like something I do not want to put in my mouth. But for those little kitties out there who like Peeps during this time of the year, let's check it out.
All right,
so you ready to take one?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Pull yours off there. There we go. All right. Smells like cotton candy.
Tastes like a normal Peep.
Tastes like a Peep. Has a little bit of a cotton candy flavor to it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one bite. You put that whole thing in your mouth. Oh, the power of being a young.
Can I get another? I need another taste.
All right. So on a scale of 1 to 4, with a 4 meaning buy this again for my own personal consumption. My personal consumption, not the consumption of others, but my personal consumption. 1 meaning I will give it a hard pass and I'm not buying it for anyone. I give this a certified 1. Peeps, no. Actually, the government should step in and have a, you know, what is it? A state of emergency to get these things off the shelf. Because this is nothing to, there is no value to it.
Yes, there is. Oh, all the sugar. Oh,
I guess you're going to mop that up.
I'm not mopping it up. You are.
Okay. All right. I said a 1. What do you give it, Tank?
I give it a 2.
Oh, wow. Well, look.
I wouldn't buy them at their full price, but if they're like on sale for like 50 cents, then I'll pick them up.
Okay, 50 cents. All right. We picked these up. Anyway, we picked these up at Target, and they were on sale for $2. So $2. Take it as you will. All right, let's go ahead and try the sour watermelon. Now this one I am curious about because I love sour things.
Sour milk?
No. Oh my. This is really fun.
Hi.
All right, there we go. Little fluorescent green little things. Talking about catastrophes.
Are these nuclear peeps?
Yeah, these are nuclear peeps, right?
Yeah.
These are diseased peeps. They got speckles all over them. And these have been a little bit too close to a nuclear reactor.
Yeah.
All right, so here you go. Snatch yours up. There we go. Oh my gosh.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, look at the inside of these. It's pink.
Not only are they green, but it looks like they've been injured when you pull them apart. Like you're seeing raw skin there. This is horrifying.
This is creepy.
What if I gave this to you as a small child? Would you be confused?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why is it?
It smells like watermelon Jolly Rancher. Let's try it.
Thank you for these. I'll be taking these. You won't get any more.
I'm going to describe what I'm having here. Imagine eating Peeps, just a regular Peep. Then someone just gave you some watermelon sour candy and poured it in your mouth while you're chewing on a marshmallow, encrusted with sugar. If that sounds satisfying to you, then go run out and get these. Just run, get them. Take them off the shelves to save the rest of the population. Because the corona's not going to get you. These things are going to get you. I'm sorry, that's me. I'm sorry if you are suffering from anything. It's not a laughing matter. But if you don't laugh, you cry, right? Okay, on a scale of 1 to 4, once again, I give these a big fat 1 with a cherry on top. What do you give it?
A 4. These are amazing. I paid for these full price.
You would?
These are so good.
Why? Tell them why you like.
Why? They're worth $2. The sourness with the watermelon. The sour You're just disposing all of them?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. These are so good.
I taste the dye.
So do I.
It's not.
And that rhymed.
I taste the dye. I taste the dye. I don't like tasting dye in anything. And so if I could taste the dye, I'm already conscious of the fact that I'm eating something that is being fortified by chemicals. Then I know this is a sugar bomb, so I'm worried about diabetes. Granted, I'm not eating this, so I guess I'll be pretty safe on that end. But anyway, so you give it a what? A 4? Oh my, okay, and I give both of them a 1. So this is Peeps brand marshmallow. Like I said, at Target, you could get a pack of these. There's a pack of how many? 15 chicks. 15 chicks for $2. Or, like a lot of us smart shoppers, wait till after Easter. Now you're going to get these things for a song, 50 cents. They'll be handing them out to you like, thank you for coming in and here's your Peeps, right? Okay. So anything else you want to say to the people?
Yes.
Roam your nightmares for 72 hours.
Well, that was profound. So be safe out there. Check out some other videos that I have on this channel. videos that I have on here, some of them might actually save your pocketbook, because there's a lot of price gouging out there. And I'm telling you, there's some simple things you have around your house that you can keep your family safe.
DIY hand
Safer.
sanitizer. How amazing is that?
Okay, well, anyway, on that note, ready? Till next time.
These were so good. I can't believe you didn't like them.
That's why you're a Rams fan.